I'm looking at my brushes today. It's time to do some restoration. And these two are very sad. They're quite stiff. And then this one is really a disaster. This is one of my favorite brushes. You can see how hard it works. And I left paint on it yesterday, and it looks like it's almost dead. But I'm going to show you how to restore these. So, first of all, we're going to gather them up and we're going to soak them in some turpentine. This is natural turpentine, or you can use this turpentine substitute. I'm going to use this one. In the jar like that, and then this one. Oh my goodness. So I'm just going to brush it on an ordinary kitchen scrubber, and then dip it into some washing up liquid, some detergent, and get that right into the fibres so that I can start to ease out any paint residue that's in there, just with my fingernail, and looking for paint especially that's down in the bottom of the fibres. And between each, just rinse it in some warm water. Keep working at it, add a bit more detergent, and then just brush the fibres to take away any remaining paint. Okay, looking pretty good now. Okay, now this one, this very sad brush that I left with paint on overnight. So I'm just moving it around in the turps. You can see the paint is beginning to separate from the fibres. Brush it with the kitchen scrubbing pad. In and out of the turps, trying to remove it bit by bit. Some large lumps come off, but then there's still tiny granules of paint remaining. Get it in some detergent, work it by hand until all colour stops coming out of the brush. Here I'm just polishing the metalwork. Rinse it in some warm water and dry it. Let's have a look now. Okay, much better, much better. See? Clean again. Good job. Here we see the before and after. My goodness, what a sorry state. Now it looks like a new brush. One last thing. I like to put some hair conditioner into my brushes. I know most of them are synthetic fibres these days, but they still benefit from this. It helps to keep the fibres separated, and while I'm not using them, they're kept soft and moist. Lovely. There we go. Job done.